Hello everyone, today I will be discussing the content not ready bug that prevents you from playing Fortnite Save the World. I will discuss how the bug occurs, how to resolve the issue, and how to prevent it from happening in the future. This bug has a chance of occurring anytime there is an update for Fortnite. So, we're here in Fortnite right now, and we'll press play on Save the World, and this screen right here is very important. As soon as you hit install, you'll be greeted with that loading bar. If you hit cancel there, this bug will 100% occur. What you need to do is wait for this bug to load out to 100%. So I'm gonna actually reproduce this bug right now. I'm gonna hit install and immediately hit cancel. Now when I load into Fortnite Save the World and then I head over to the map, let's just say I select a mission here, it'll say content not ready. And if I hit continue, it'll tell me to download the content, which I have already downloaded. But that screen at the beginning is just a confirmation. If you don't let it reach 100%, then the game thinks that you haven't downloaded the content. Okay, so in order to resolve this issue next time, is to just let that bar reach 100%. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit continue. Okay. Now I'm greeted with this screen, and what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to hit X. I'm going to go over here to the search bar and I'm going to type in run. Okay, I'm going to run this app. And then I'm going to type into open %localappdata. I'm going to hit OK. After that, I'm going to find FortniteGame. So FortniteGame is right here. I'm going to head over to saved. And I'm going to delete this folder. There may be another folder called web cache 4147. You want to delete that one as well, but I only have this one here, so I'm going to delete this. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reload Fortnite. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back into Save the World, and as you can see I have that screen again. Now this time I'm gonna let it install. I'm not gonna press anything. Okay, and there we go, we're in Save the World, and I can now play any mission. That's it. Thanks for watching.